eastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:50 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Calhoun to Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southern Colorado Springs, Fountain, Calhoun, Rama, Hanover, Truckton, Yoder, Ellicott, Peyton, Schriever Air Force Base, Security, Falcon, Security Widefield, Stratford, Peterson Air Force Base, Cimarron Hills, Rush, and Fort Carson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A call